the letter S before you and the letter combination SI sounds sh in the following words: sugar, sugar, sure, sure, surety, surety, assurance, assurance, tension, tension, vision, vision, mission, mission, passion, passion, vision, vision, fusion, fusion, confusion, confusion, illusion, illusion. Please note that the SI combination in the examples is closely followed by O when SI sounds SH. Also note that as the SI combination together sounds SH, the I sound in the combination is not heard again. Let us illustrate this step by step with the example word Asia. First, we split the letter sounds in the word. Then, we blend the letter sounds together to get the word sound. Lastly, we apply stress to get the final word sound. In a two-syllable word, only one syllable is stressed or strong, while the other remains unstressed or weak. This is the rule of English language. Here, the stress is on syllable A, the first part of the word. So, the sound of A in the second syllable, shall, gets minimized. A, shut, Asia. Now, check the word Russia.